Hello there, Sagittarius. Welcome to the channel. This is the Lady of the Throne, where God dwells within me as me. Thank you all very, very much for being here. Today, we're going to be looking at your love guidance. This is for love only. For those of you who have a love interest, you have a love connection, or situationship, or someone that you want to be with. This may apply to you. Also, give it time to resonate. We do have until the 15th for these messages to play out in your life and with this person. In this guidance, I always speak to your higher selves. So these messages may not always resonate on a practical based level, but more so on a highly spiritual level for those of you who are open, for those of you who think deeper and look beneath the surface. Okay, so keep that in mind as well as you are watching, Sagittarius. If you're interested in a personal, don't hesitate to reach out to get a personal if you need any kind of guidance, whether it is about love, spiritual messages from angels, things that God wants you to know, things that you should hear at this time about your life, anything that you're interested in. Don't be afraid to check out the description box down below. That's where you will find all of this helpful information for you. Okay, now for the month of August, I'm going to be doing songs for the love, words, language, and all of these things are going to be very important at this time. I am channeling a very, very powerful energy right now. An energy that is like a source of information of higher power. And so with this energy, and here we are, this is where we meet. And so this is going to be especially really good for Sagittarius this month when it comes to communications. All right. So let's get into it. The song that I channeled for you guys as I was picking up your energy for your sign is a song by Janae Aiko called Waiting. Wading. The word waiting is being able to walk through water or walk on water or be in the water, like bathing. Okay. So it can be seen as like many different ways. But specifically, the lyrics that I have here is all of the waiting, all I was waiting, waiting for you. I have been waiting. I will be waiting till I turn blue. So, you guys, this feels like an energy of someone who you know. Could be a past life lover, past life soulmate, could be a twin soul, could be just a high level soulmate. One of you guys in this connection was waiting for the other person to wake up and realize that there's someone out here waiting for them. And someone had been like really having a lot of patience with this and waiting for their person to arrive in their life or to be with them. Someone could be stuck in a third party situation and the other person's waiting. For others of you, someone had been waiting a long time for you guys to come together. Or someone could be currently waiting for something to kick off, right? So there is an energy of someone waiting, and someone feels like when we hear till I turn blue, if you're waiting in water for a long time, you normally don't turn blue, right? If anything, your skin gets really, really wrinkled and you get more pale, right? But I think that till I turn blue could mean that like just waiting forever, waiting so long to the point where someone kind of falls right into the element of water, their emotions, right? Think about it metaphorically, getting more emotional about it, feeling more emotions about it, emotions and feelings of sadness, melancholy, loss, depression, that kind of thing. So because of this weight, I feel like someone is really trying to make something come together, but is forced to wait. Okay, so let's get into your message a little bit more here. So how do you feel about this person that you're interested in? I feel like right now, the way you feel about this person, there's no love lost in this connection, on this path. you are on a path toward a new beginning with someone, and it could reach a new level right now. You and this person could see a new level of love in this connection. And this seems to be a very beautiful and bright new beginning to a romantic partnership or affair right now, now that all of the hard parts have passed, you guys can have a fresh new beginning in the connection. You and this person may have gone through some tumultuous times or some recent changes, or maybe this really was a long wait for you, Sagittarius, waiting for this person to come into your life. Maybe it's been so hard to just sit here and have to wait for something to come together, but I feel like right now, you two have a better understanding about the kind of love that you share with each other, and how I think, Sagittarius, you could be the one feeling like, wow, like I'm willing to wait forever to be with this person, or vice versa, this person feels like that about you. Like someone's kind of like open for this still, even though there's been some distance or there's been a lot of time. It's like I'm still open, right? So there's a lot of understanding about things right now. And I feel like you and this person have now found a good way to balance everything out while still staying patient with one another. Feeling the connection, you're feeling them, and they are feeling you. All right, you guys really feel each other, whether it's like feeling each other's energy or you're feeling each other as in you still like each other, even though you guys have had to wait. So your person of interest in the way they feel, this is someone who feels like coming toward you. They do. They are coming toward you, but they're moving very, very slow. Really, really slow. And that could have been like how things have always been between you and this person, Sagittarius. But I feel like they're moving so slow, and as they're moving slow, they're trying to hold on to memories at the same time. Memories that were birthed between you and this person. Like when you first met each other and how the connection first started. They always think about these things, but some of these memories are starting to fade out because of how long it's been taking this person to come forward. So I feel like right now what they're doing is they're interacting or engaging with other people a lot more, and this is about you. I strongly feel like you're the topic of this person's conversations. They're bringing you up to family, to their mother, to their dad maybe, or to their kids, or to their best friend or their colleagues or something. Like this person is talking more about you, about this connection, and I think it could be around the problems that this person has ran into within the connection when other people are involved in it, right? So they could be talking to people that they trust or that they love about how when other people get involved in your connection, it really messes your connection up together. It really hurts this person. It hurts your connection. So they could be like kind of giving their complaints and their burdens to some people around them about how when they get involved, that's what hurts your connection. That's how your connection suffers. And so in the midst of this person is choosing to just ignore what people are saying, and they're going with their best move or taking the approach that works best for them overall. So if they're talking to someone and the advice that a friend gives them at this time is, hey, give it some time, this person doesn't want to hear that anymore. This person's like, listen, I've given it a lot of time. I have moved very, very slowly with this Sagittarius. I really have given it a lot of thought already. I'm going to do what I want to do. And at this time, I want to be with this person. So this person is standing up to people right now. They are putting their foot down. They are being brave and bold about how they feel about you. They're going against what people are saying. If people say jump, they are sitting. If people say stop, they are going, right? Because they realize that when other people get involved and give them their opinions and give them advice, this connection goes totally left. And that's the results that they've had within the connection. And that's why they're like, listen, I can't listen to anyone else anymore. Every time I listen to someone else outside of the connection, everything goes awry. Like it goes left completely. So they've learned from this. So how are you seeing this person? So Sagittarius, you see them as being very, very patient right now. All right, so they could be the one waiting then. Maybe you have them waiting, right? Maybe you have them waiting. It can be that way, but either way, you see them being a very, very patient person with this whole thing. You see them trusting that a higher force is knowing what is best for them, and this person is acknowledging that there is something higher, a higher level of guidance that comes through in your connection together, and that higher source is what's guiding them in this connection, and they understand what's going on now. And this is helping them to remember that when they are asked to wait, like when God's making them wait for something, or when they're just like the whole universe conspires for this person to wait, that they're actually being prepared for a better experience with you than they had expected in the beginning, right? So they're being forced, this person you're interested in, Sag, they're the ones that looks like they're being forced to have to wait before coming in, because if for some reason it wasn't going to come in the way that it should have come in the past, the way that it's going to come in now that things are clearing up, that is the way that God intends for this person to come in. So now they're starting to change their attitude to an attitude of accepting that good things you have to wait for, right? They have a more relaxed approach to everything right now. They're not rushing off to chase you, because they also realize that if they chase you, that's a product of them being in a lower energy, because they're in a mindset like, I can't chase, I must attract now. In order for me to attract the Sagittarius the way that I want to attract the Sagittarius, I can't chase. I have to be patient and be patient with myself, and know that there is a higher power around this connection that's controlling it. And if I'm humble about it, I'll get what I want or get what I need from the Sagittarius, and things will play out better. So when the time is right, they know that the door is going to open. They know that it may not be time right now, but when the time is right, it's going to open. Okay. Now, how do they see you? So in this whole thing, this person sees you cooperating and in cooperation as well. And what this means, what I'm getting here, is this person sees you working with them, like you have a cohesive energy with this person. There's a gelling between the two of you. There's a meshing. You two are getting along pretty well at this time. It just flows. It's a pretty natural ambiance in the connection overall, but also they feel like you and them are operating together in the world, like working on something together. So it's like a team. What do you call that? A dream team, or like a bond between the two of you. So they see you using your skills and your talents for the good that you both want to see in the world, right? They see you, they think highly of you when it comes to your talents, your level of expertise in a business, in your career, or whatever it is that you do in the world. You are inspiring and influential to this person. And so they feel like you are working on things, they are working on things, you both are working on things too, for your connection together, for what it is that you guys are living for, your purpose, your legacy. So they see, that you two are doing this. And so this is helpful. And this person is glad to see you in this type of energy, because they know that when you are using your skills and your talents for the good, that you are also eliminating whatever power struggles, conflict, and competition which comes from your ego. And now you are actually starting to show more of your true self outwardly, right? To the public, to the world, that kind of thing. You may have felt a desire to win. You may have felt like competing with others around you or having power struggles with others around you. Maybe you were in a very competitive work environment or something, but this person sees that you've eliminated this, and maybe you're looking for another job. For some of you, you're finding your way because your person knows that you have the skills and the talents that could get you so far in life. They really believe in you. They see you as a strong worker, a strong leader. So you're doing amazing things, and they know that like you're getting away from things that does not serve you right now. So you guys are cooperating together with one another for the highest good that promotes harmony and togetherness and brings out the best in everyone around you guys. Whatever decisions you have made, whether you left a job, you're looking for another job, you just got another job, or you just reached some type of milestone or accomplishment in your life, or you have some type of business thing going on, whatever it is that you have going on, Sagittarius, they know that this is going to help everyone involved in the situation, and that you being in a way better environment, being in a way better headspace, being able to really show your skills and talents that you were gifted with, and being able to be yourself, this makes them happy. This really makes them happy, because if you're happy and you're able to do your work and create magic in the world, this allows them to do the same thing. They move the way you move. This is how you guys move, right? They do things according to how you do them. When you're good, they're good. This person is really, really connected to you. So right now, they see you coming together with them. And also they see your life kind of coming together right now, too, as you explore how you can naturally assist each other in this process. All right. So you guys are helping each other on a larger scale is what I'm getting. And it's going to show. It's pouring out externally. It's showing on the outside of your connection as well, that you two are working together. Your energies are working together, and people can see it. All right. That's what I'm getting. I hope that this helps you guys. Thanks. God bless.